Hi people, welcome to MSK Junction and it's your MSK. Hope you all doing good. As it's been Shankaracharya Jayanti, recently we posted a video on Adi Shankaracharya's divine composition that cured his illness. If you wanna know, the link is in the description, kindly watch it. So let's check it out. What's it for today? Today we gonna see about a large air purifier which can clean your whole area wherein you will breathe fresh air. Our country got this air purifier in one of the states. Watch the video till the end to know more about it. This large air purifier can reduce air pollution particles. This consists of multiple layer of filters which traps fine dust particles. The air is drawn through fans installed at the top of the tower, passed through filters, then released near the ground. It is 40 feet high and 20 feet wide. You may cracking and thinking, what is this? It is none other than smoke tower. Yes, smoke towers have been experimented within recent years in cities like Netherlands, China, South Korea and Poland. These towers are to be installed in Delhi. You may wonder why Delhi? According to WHO, India has 6 of the top 10 most polluted cities in the world, where national capital Delhi is sitting on the top of the list. According to Greenpeace report, 1.2 million people die every year in India due to air pollution. This idea was not a SWAMIC, it's a copycat idea, wherein this idea was inspired from China. As they passed through severe air condition, so their government installed the smog tower in Xi'an in the Shanxi province. A Delhi-based company, Kurin Systems, has recently got the patent for the world's largest air purifier. If you ask me, how large can it produce fresh air? The device will take in air from all 360-degree angles and generate 13 lakh cubic meters of clean air per hour. In simple, it would provide clean air to 75,000 people living in 3 km radius around it. When it comes to cost of the tower, based on prescribed features, it can range between 10 to 12 crores. That includes filtering equipment, monitoring system and construction of the tower. Finally, we can say that it's a good technology to get some relief from severe air quality. On the other hand, this device is too expensive and there is no authentic data available to know its effectiveness. But the current smog tower in Delhi has attracted people with its 24-feet structure. Compared to all the smog towers, Delhi smog tower is estimated to be around 7 lakhs, which is budget friendly for the government. Which is worth even. Based on my research, it is successful. So let's hope even all the districts in our country get this tower and be benefited. Hope you all like the video. Kindly like, share and subscribe MSK Junction. Love you all. See you soon.